you, it's Kyla Lou. Yes, that is me. And welcome back or welcome to my channel. It's so great to have you here. And I do have to say, your lips, they're so beautiful, I'm losing my voice. Your lips are looking so full and so smooth today. This time of year, as it starts to get colder, when we move from fall to winter,
always
kills my lips. And I'm applying chapstick 24/7. And you're sitting there probably wondering, why are we still talking about lips? It's a new month, it's a new life, it's a new day for me. And TikTok has sent me another newsletter with some more updates. So let's see what they have to say this time. That was aggressive. Let's get into the video. So here we are on the TikTok creator newsletter. Now, TikTok is pretty consistent at sending these newsletters out about once a month, even though I definitely did not get one for September, or I missed it. That's kind of weird, but we've got our October 2022 newsletter. You guys can obviously sign up to receive these. I'll leave the link down below this video, but if you don't want to sign up for it, or you just kind of want to hear my thoughts and opinions on what TikTok is choosing to update us on, then just keep walking. Just keep walking. Just keep walking by. Just keep watching. Right here up at the top, meet the 2022 LatinX TikTok trailblazers. So Latina creators, if you guys are interested in that type of content, they've got a bunch of different trailblazers that you can go check out. So you can see all of their handles listed here. Basically, TikTok is just choosing to spotlight a few of these creators, which I think is really awesome and kind of gives you a sense and helps you explore different content on the platform. So that's really great. I would highly recommend checking that out. You guys can screenshot this or write it down or whatever and go check them out. And then we've got Cybersecurity Awareness Month. Apparently October is Cybersecurity Awareness Month. There you go. Hashtag Becybersmart. We love that. Even though, is it just me, or am I the only one that uses the same 3 passwords on literally everything I have? Not very cyber secure. So basically they just have a couple tips here. It looks like set strong and unique passwords on all accounts and use a password manager, enable 2-step verification, which I believe you can do on TikTok. Avoid opening, downloading, or clicking on links and attachments from unrecognized senders, and using phishing or smishing. Those have got to be the most made up sounding words I've ever heard. What happens if I click on this? What's gonna pull up here?
Did you know that over 90% of data breaches start with phishing?
What the heck?
Attackers often try to reel you in with legitimate looking emails that may appear to come from a trusted source. Don't take the bait. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or attachments. Drop our security team a line anytime in app to report a potential phish.
Right, try and report to TikTok and they'll definitely get back to you. Hey, that was actually a pretty creative video, but basically try to use really strong passwords. Don't do what I do and use the same 3 passwords on everything else, and do what you can to be cyber smart, because we don't want people hacking into your account. That would be a no bueno. So then we've got our creator portal tip of the month. All right, let's check out. What is this creator tip of the month? On TikTok, you can choose either a personal, previously called creator, or business account. And each comes with a different slate of options and features. For starters, a personal account is geared for content creators, public figures, artists, and influencers. A business account, on the other hand, is for, you guessed it, businesses. A business account has functions tailored to brands, retailers, organizations, and service providers, regardless of size and profitability. I actually have a couple videos here on my channel talking all about this topic, and it's really interesting that this is the portal tip of this month, which I'm trying to remember when they actually made this switch, when all of a sudden people are getting on their accounts and they're like, where did the creator account go? And it had changed from the creator account and they now call it a personal account. But like, where was this when that came out? Like, there was none of this information, but luckily I was able to do a ton of digging and was able to find out that, oh, they changed the name and here's kind of what's entailed with each account. If I click on this button, let's see what kind of information they provide us. So this is the TikTok creator portal, which you guys can visit. Benefits of a business account, You'll have plenty of special features. You can have a business registration, profile features, lead generation, auto message, TikTok ads manager, commercial music library, okay, and then they show you how to get to a business account. Benefits of a personal account, creator fund, so you cannot be a part or apply to be a part of the creator fund if you are on a business account. TikTok creator marketplace, live gifts and diamonds, and tips. So basically on a personal account, you have all of the monetization options that TikTok offers, but on the business account, you don't. Whereas here on the business account, you can run ads. You do have to use specific music that is royalty free. So that does limit you quite a bit on what you can use when creating your videos. I would highly recommend going and checking out those past videos that I made, kind of talking about the differences here. So I'll make sure to link those down below this video, but let's keep going on. So we've got new product features, and this is kind of really why I wanted to make these videos, to make you guys aware of what new features TikTok is coming out with, because they're constantly updating things all the time. Express yourself with photo mode. Oh no. Oh no. TikTok, what are you doing? For when you'd prefer to express yourself in formats other than video, we released photo mode, aka we're trying to be like Instagram. A new carousel format available on mobile for photo content that's ideal for sharing high quality images on TikTok. Photo mode allows you to share carousel posts of still images that automatically display one after another. You can add music to soundtrack the images, which viewers can swipe through at their own pace. All right, so how do we use this feature? Oh, nothing? Nothing? All right, let's search photo mode. 0 results for photo mode. Okay, TikTok creator portal. What the heck? Well, let's hop onto TikTok and see if we can figure out how to use this feature. Okay, so here I am on TikTok, and let's see if we can figure out this new feature, because the TikTok creator newsletter was not gonna help us at all. So I'm gonna click on this plus sign here to create a new TikTok, and I'm gonna click on the upload, because I'm assuming, you know, it has to do with photos, kind of like making it like an Instagram story. So let's see what happens when we try and upload photos. So I'm gonna click on this. I'm just gonna click on my photos here, and let's do these ones from when I went to visit, an ice cream shop here. Let's do those. So I've selected 3, and I have just the select multiple photos on. So if you don't want to do that, you can just toggle off this select multiple down in the bottom left. And I'm going to click next, and let's see what happens here. Okay, so it automatically adds the photos in what I'm assuming is video mode, and you guys can see here up at the top, even though my volume is turned down because of copyright, they automatically add a song in up at the top, but you can see here down at the bottom, switch to photo mode, okay? And it just basically makes it look exactly like Instagram stories. And then I guess I can switch back to video mode here, and it will make it like the traditional TikTok photos, but it's actually a video. And then I think people can like click through this like an Instagram story. That's what the newsletter made it sound like. But that is, I guess, the photo mode. It looks like you can't add photo mode to your stories here, because if you guys see when I switch it, if you wanted to add this as a story on TikTok, it's not going to let you. TikTok's like, no, this isn't like Instagram stories. This is different. This is photo mode. But yeah, okay. So I guess that's how you use photo mode. You just upload your photos, and you can select photo mode or just leave it as a video, I guess. And we're back to the creator newsletter. All right, let's keep scrolling down and seeing what else TikTok has to say. Enhanced editing tools. TikTok's enhanced editing tools allow you to easily adjust clips, sounds, images, and text in a linear editing environment, all within TikTok's creation flow. You'll be able to yada, 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 yada. Okay, so they're talking about the TikTok Studio editor. Beforehand, it used to be called Adjust Clips, and Adjust Clips was very simple. It allowed you to do minimal editing, but this new studio editor obviously has a lot more capabilities. There's some things about it still that I don't love, but it's definitely more advanced than what it was before. The thing is though, me and a lot of you guys here who watch the videos on my channel have noticed some issues with it even showing up. So like making sure that your app is up to date and you have the most recent version of TikTok. Even then, like for me, sometimes it will still say adjust clips, but it's actually the new studio editor. Some people, it won't even show up. And then sometimes it's like, it says it's the studio, but then it goes back to the adjust clips. It's got some funky problems, but it is definitely a nicer editing thing than adjust clips was. So again, I actually made an entire video kind of going through the new studio editor. So if you guys wanted to go and check it out or just play with it yourself, that's really the best way to learn how to use it, is just to go in, do some demoing with it and try a couple different things. You can also go and click on this. I'm assuming if I click on this button, it's just gonna tell me the exact same things. Yeah, basically. So nothing new there, but you can go and check out that video and just go play with it yourself. Let's keep scrolling down. So we've got a creator highlight. So TikTok does this on every single one of their creator newsletters. They highlight a creator. So let's see who we have today or this month. So this month we are highlighting Lizzie M. Wong, a lifestyle creator sharing her love for nails, hair, beauty, and fashion. She aims to inspire people to be authentically themselves by being open about her own life experiences and wow, I'm dying. And mental health journey through her videos. Oh, that's really cool. So you can click on this link here and I'm sure it will take you to her account. Yep, here on desktop. Oh, she's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, she is stunning. I actually probably would really enjoy her videos, so I will definitely go and watch some of these afterwards. I just really like that, like supporting other people on the platform and things like that, or you can go and just search her handle if you want, so that's it right there. So that's really cool, awesome. Good for her for also being able to be highlighted on this TikTok creator newsletter. That's awesome. And then it looks like we're down here at the bottom. That's kind of everything. Wow, I kind of think this month's newsletter is a little sparse, if I'm being honest. Like not a lot happening in here. The biggest update being the photo mode, but that's kind of really it. The studio editor has been out for a while. Obviously, it's really fun to be able to see these new creators that they highlight. The creator versus business account, that's been a thing for several months, if not a year. I can't remember when I made that video, but it's been a while. But those are some of the updates from TikTok. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did and maybe found just a little bit of value, then please consider liking and subscribing because it really helps support my channel so much. If you guys have any questions related to TikTok, please drop them down in the comments and I will do my best to answer every single one of them, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye, dudes.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die